Bersalju hari ini. Dingin. Sekarang awal November, tanggal 1 2017, dan ini adalah salju kedua. Ya, sudah mulai salju di Kanada hari ini. Oh my god, look at my hair. Hari ini kita bakal sibuk mau cari-cari mesin cuci piring karena mesin cuci piring kita rusak. Tapi anak-anak punya jadwal cuci piring sih. Jadi ya, kalian akan saya bawa berkeliling kota hari ini. Saya nggak bisa nyetir. Hari ini karena bersalju. David belum ganti ban buat winternya. Jadi ya, saya free nyetir hari ini. Padahal dia belum tidur semalaman.
What you doing?
Sudah?
Sudah?
Okay. We'll get inside. He just like me have a trouble with the door. There we go.
Let's go sleep in here.
I have a picnic here.
See what happens is we've got all these buildings are all interconnected, so in the winter time
But something weird.
you don't have to go outside so much.
Garing jualan, Bu.
Here? No, in Jakarta, people is like have a sell something in the bridge.
Roll up the rug.
Jembatan kalau di Jakarta itu udah dipenuhi oleh orang jualan. Di sini sepi, nggak ada orang. Apa?
Just go there.
No, jauh. Aduh.
Huh?
He said just go there.
Well, go ahead. Long walk home. No.
No, P2.
Let's go down. He said go down. So we go down first, then we go up.
Street level parking payments. Going down.
No.
Going down. No, going
Going down.
down.
No, going down.
Going down.
Left.
You know what the occasion?
Assalamualaikum. Oh my god. What? Apa?
Porsche Caymanette. There's a panorama.
Porsche.
That's when you find it.
Ibu. Perjalanan hari ini satu tempat baru selesai. Tinggal beberapa tempat lagi. Tadi di kota tidak bisa rekam ya pemirsa. Karena saya takut.
Pembodohan. 4 kali.
Umur juga begitu kadang. Ini push or pull. Don't tell me you forgot the key.
Yang langsung ngecin.
Tidak bisa buka. Keluar. Keluar.
Croissant.
croissant.
No. Nose. Croissant.
Roti.
Yeah, like that, except croissant. Roti. That's how the French would say it. Croissant.
I don't like it. I just love to eat it, not smell it.
Lebih suka pakai di sini bu, mau jadi ninja.
Hah?
Masuk Piki jadi ninja. Ini pas kita lagi kiri kanan gitu nggak aja cuma pakai ini gitu. Pas kita lagi nyalain mobil keluar, langsung datang dia.
Yeah, quick thinking. Oh, we missed it. Oh, is that a big one too? Oh, it's a big one too.
But we're gonna park though. We're gonna park.
God damn it.
That's Dollarama.
Hey, do you want to go see if they got your stuffies?
Stuffy.
EB game.
Yeah, I need EB game first because this is November. I don't wanna show out.
This is November too. It's a kid.
Oh. Didn't know you were recording there, dear.
I did record it, baby.
Oh, that's so racist.
What?
Teman Kiki bilang jangan jadi Uber gara-gara Kiki Asia.
Oh, is that Petro Canada?
What?
Oh, that's it there. Fuck. It's called the Suncor Tower now, but it used to
This
be,
one, right?
Yeah, it used to be called the Petro Canada Tower because it was built by Petro Canada. Not as cheap as it used to be in China. That's why a lot of manufacturing is moving to Indonesia, right? Oh, there's our new trains.
Putra want to try that.
Spanky. What is he?
No, he not tried that yet.
First time I'm going to train when I'm in Japan.
Okay, well,
Yeah, Japan.
It's the first time.
Hey, he went to Japan.
let's go to Japan.
Then next, when we back is
I think I'm turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. Turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so.
Beli gila.
Turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. Oh, race the train!
Baby, no!
No, it's a.
That's right. You can go fast like that in a Canadian city.
Yeah.
In other words, you're not going to beat the traffic walking here like you can in Jakarta. Those are pretty trains, though.
Hey, we have a pretty train too.
We will have.
I've
It's
never
kinda
seen
like
it.
that.
I've
No.
never seen it.
We will have Japanese train.
Yeah.
Coming soon in Indonesia.
I never take you there
I know.
because you're busy.
No, I thought it was always flooded.
And they have like special for women.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So what? Those cars cover up? What?
Hey, can we go to TNT?
TNT. Okay. Which one?
I don't know. No, it's just like a bonus trip. If we still have a time, we go to TNT. That's it. Because we're gonna go back again. Because I don't have any important things. I just wanted that sticky rice.
Okay, well, we're like Basha's up here.
I don't need to bash it because I already have that chili.
Oh, yeah, right. Well, there's the TNT in Pacific Plaza, and then there's the TNT on the way up.
Whatever it is.
No, don't tell me that shit.
What shit?
Pick one.
I never talk a shit. Oh,
Pick
I
it.
just did.
Pick a TNT.
Pick a TNT.
Big Memory Express.
I guess if have a time after you finish this trip because we had a lot of places. Hey, baby!
What? Oh, recording. Sorry. No, I meant nenek. Grandma.
It's totally fail.
What?
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Remember the Walmart, but not in the Marlboro one. The other one?
That's the one right there.
Yeah, that's
Is that the one?
it is a Marlboro one. We're not going.
It was the one with Deerfoot.
Sa dua ramai sebenarnya.
Yeah, it was Deerfoot, wasn't it?
Ya, satu lagi. Maybe dia Deerfoot.
Itu?
Itu bukan ini.
Yo, put your seatbelt on. It's police.
Where?
Right.
Oh yeah.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
1, 2.
I mean 4.
1, 2, 3.
I mean that way. That way.
Oh fuck! You ain't gonna see me.
Huh?
I'm invincible.
Ibu, pergi puri tahun.
Shut up.
Kebiasaan. Udah ketahuan pernah ditilang tapi tetep aja. Gayanya yang gaya Indonesia.
Hey, who am I? I'm Alan Walker.
This is one go to right, but he need go to this first, and he. Why?
Is that Packy Police? Or no, that's a woman. Looks like a woman Packy Police.
Why this girl one go to right, but
What?
are we go to right?
Left.
I'm left. Are we go to left?
Yeah, we're going left. That's the only way we can go. Spices?
But it's not that.
Like real. You want real curry? I'll take you up there. They got this one spice store in Falconbridge Plaza. It's just permeates the whole block, but
I just want to try to find a bitter leaf. Oh wait, I cannot drink that bitter leaf.
why?
Well, because we tried to pregnant, so I cannot drink that things.
It's all about the trying.
Hey,
Okay.
stop plus.
Dollarama Kitty? Or
No,
Kitty or
kanan.
Dollarama Kanan? Kitty kanan.
Oh, kiri ada itu tuh pabrik
Yeah.
lain.
Ada.
Oh, ya
Staples
udah kiri.
juga. Yeah.
So I go to the fab. Oh, maybe I need you. I don't know which better for
Personally, in my humble but accurate opinion, I would say vinyl.
final.
Vinyl.
Final.
Yeah, I don't know where you're gonna find it.
Final.
But the thing is yeah, for green screen though, you don't want flannel because it's all puffy, right? You want something smooth but not like satin either. It needs to be tightly woven.
You talking about fabric, right?
Yeah, like that,
You pinch me,
or like that.
baby. I'm gonna. Kita lagi ada di toko
Yellow.
toko bahan. Beli bahan. Tapi kayak yang itu terlalu mengkilap deh, Mas.
Ini kayak gini loh.
Greennya kayak gini kan? Tapi ini,
Kita agak tuaan dikit.
hah?
Agak tua.
Oke.
Kayak green gini.
Jadi anak saya mau pakai green gitu deh.
Kayak green gini.
Just like that. Okay. We just take a look around because I have so many fabric here.
Like that.
Yeah, but we don't want to like that because it's so expensive too. Spandex juga. Hah? Mendung tapi tak hujan, mendung kelabu, mendung bersalju. Ini mah campur air, dingin jadinya. Kita ke Beli mencari mesin cuci piring.
Yeah.
Chopper blade and cup. What's the difference?
Well, the thing is these ones here has a filter which you have to clean out. Clean out the filter with all the garbage, food. This one's like a carburetor. It actually chops the food out. That's what I think.
Especially here. Food, having a plate, rice.
That's a start.
Terus ini tas. And bonus socks.
Yeah, don't really care about that. Hey, by the way, look.
What?
It's not adjustable.
Oh, because I just got this. That's it.
Yeah.
How about the
Functions are all the same.
It's just a different adjustment.
Well, that's what I want to know.
Ya kita bikin vlog sekarang.
Hmm?
Kita yang punya sekarang, ini yang punya channelnya.
Hai pemirsa, thank you for watching my vlog today. Jalan-jalan di Calgary nggak jalan-jalan, cuman keliling Calgary ya. Satu kesibukan kita hari ini. But kita udah beli mesin cuci piring, tapi datangnya itu setelah 3 minggu. Jadi masih 3 minggu lagi kita mesti cuci piring pakai tangan pemirsa. I'm getting cold, and I'm gonna say sorry if kalau David itu ngomongnya nggak pakai rem, nggak pakai filter, jadi maaf aja. Dia orangnya kayak gitu, kadang dia suka nggak tahu kalau saya tuh lagi ngerekam, so I just say sorry. Okay, good night guys. I'm gonna have to sleep because tomorrow is my X-ray and my ultrasound, so finger crossed for me. So okay. Have a nice day, and then bye bye.